Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today actually my daughter is going to show you how she makes khichdi in the kettle. I have already shared many kettle recipes which are updated in a playlist titled Cooking with Kettle. As a mother, I believe that we should teach our children the basics of cooking so that when needed they can make a meal for themselves anytime, any place, so that they also don't depend on junk foods when they are tired and hungry. Our children are the future of our nation, and it's important that we teach at least minimal cooking skills so that he or she can lead a sustainable and healthy lifestyle. The Cooking with Kettle series idea came to my mind so that along with teaching my daughter, I can also teach sons and daughters who watch my video basic cooking. Also, guys, my daughter is not an experienced cook, so please excuse her inexperience and slow pace of cooking. A word about the rice we are using. The rice we are using is unpolished and hence it needs longer soaking time and slightly longer cooking time. However, if you're using white rice, 15 to 20 minutes of soaking is needed and cooking time will also be less. So let's get started with the recipe. So we are using this unpolished scented rice and I got this from an exhibition I attended. So these are the details of the rice. You can actually contact them and get. So Nidhi, do show us how you make khichdi in the kettle.
I use a 1/4 cup as a standard measuring. What I do is I actually fill the cup half with the rice and then the rest I add in with the dal.
So is this how you measure, Nidhi?
Yeah, that's exactly how I measure.
And this is enough for you as a meal?
Yeah, dinner I like to have a bit light and not a big meal, so it's enough for me.
Okay. Now what do you do next?
So the next thing what I do is I will add this into the bowl and I add some water and soak it. So usually I keep this, I do this in the afternoon and I keep it soaked till evening, so then it's easy after coming back from college. I just have to cook. So just to show you guys, I have already soaked this for about 3 hours.
This has been soaking for 3 hours, right?
Yeah.
And you have now washed and rinsed it.
Before and after. And next what I do is I strain the rice. And I'll keep it for like 5 minutes.
Which is the most suitable setting to make khichdi in the kettle?
Okay, so first I put it in the low settings and then I switch on.
So before turning on the kettle, you start to add the ingredients, right?
Yes, I add the ghee and I keep all the ingredients ready because you need to be pretty fast in adding this. First I will be adding the ghee.
Okay.
And then I'll be switching on the kettle. So as it gets
heated up. Okay, it's almost getting heated up. Half
teaspoon jeera.
Jeera or cumin seeds.
Then I add in turmeric.
And then
I add in the rice. And add in water till the minimum level of the kettle.
So there is a mark in the kettle.
Yeah, the minimum is over here. So I put it around till the minimum. Then see the kettle has switched off automatically. So I am oning it and putting it into the boiling mode.
So now you have put it on the boil mode.
Yeah. So it's boiling now, and then I would be adding a
bit of hing. So now you're adding in some asafoetida, also known as hing, and kayam in Malayalam.
Pink Himalayan salt.
How much? About half a teaspoon?
Yeah, half a teaspoon. And then I add in 1/4 teaspoon of chilli flakes.
So instead of chilli flakes, you can add in one whole red chilli, dried red chilli. Why don't you add the chilli flakes into the oil?
Because of the high heat of the kettle, the chilli gets burned, so I do it this way.
Okay. Generally when you make in the pressure cooker, you add the chili flakes or the whole chili into the desi ghee. Okay.
Yeah, I'll be referring to your videos. Close the kettle and keep it to boil.
And then what happens?
It takes a bit of time. It just kettle turns off and then you have to turn it on. So till the water gets absorbed or evaporated completely.
So you need to turn off, turn on
Yes.
manually.
Yeah, manually.
A couple of times.
A couple of times. You can start reading a book or do all the things. I do my homeworks. Yeah.
So once this stops boiling now, you again turn on the kettle.
Yeah. At the button here. When it stops boiling, the button goes off, and then you have to on it again.
Okay. So how many times you do this?
Depends. Since we have soaked the rice, if the rice is soaked properly, it takes lesser time.
Okay, now the kettle has turned off. So you will be again turning on manually, or you wait for some time.
Wait for some time, because if you on it now, it will go back automatically to off mode. So wait for some time,
And then
because the rice is still boiling. It's still in the boiling mode. Then on it. After you can see that the boiling has reduced a bit, you can turn on the kettle again and repeat this process a couple of times till the rice gets cooked. Okay, now the khichdi is ready.
shall we serve it to a bowl?
Okay, sure. But usually in my hostel, I prefer having it inside this. I don't have to wash up all the bowls.
So you have it from the kettle only?
Yeah.
Okay, let's serve to a bowl. So Nidhi, how do you have this khichdi usually?
I usually have it with your pickle.
Lemon pickle?
Yeah, the lemon pickle.
So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.